Have you ever been to a restaurant and they handed you a menu that felt more like a book? Full of hundreds of different options, and you're instantly overwhelmed by the choices, and it might have even given you a slight panicked feeling? Clients get the same way when you have a long, extensive service list. It's good to be concise and focus on the type of services you think will bring the most value to your clients, but also be services you have a particular experience in or have a passion for. Take, for example, graphic design. Graphic design is a large field that can easily spread into other disciplines and services like web design and illustration. When a client sees a huge long services list, they think two things. First off, they think they're a jack of all trades, but a master of none. There's no way they have stellar experience in all those different services. Or number two, they're desperate for work, and they're willing to do about any type of project. It's the second one I'm most worried about in terms of presenting yourself as a top-notch freelance contender. Remember, they will always be considering other options and freelancers. Anything you can do to present yourself in the most professional way possible is vital. Instead of offering so many services, perhaps narrowing it down to 4 to 8 main services might help you in focusing in on the types of services you'll provide. These will also be what you slowly want to specialize in as you continue to fine-tune your freelance business. For example, if I list logo design, branding, product package design, and finally print design, all of those services are connected somehow, and there's a good chance a client will need more than one. But they're not randomized services. They all require similar software and skill sets. I want you to work through the Services List Guide, a downloadable resource, to find out and work through the top services you'll want to provide. This will also set the tone for how you craft your portfolio and website later on in the course, and what projects will come first in your portfolio presentation. The following tips are from me having a chance to look at hundreds, if not thousands, of portfolios of freelancer websites as my time as an art director, in charge of hiring freelancers for various creative needs. These are the tips I wish they followed, and the ones who followed them quickly went to my short list of possible next contacts. First tip, focus on services that can cross-sell. This means one service will naturally lead to another after the completion of one service. For example, web design, offering SEO services or working with another partner that also offers those services might be mutually beneficial for you, your partner, and the client. They know that they can take the next natural step in the process and know that you can continue to work with them outside that initial need. Tip 2. Keep your list as short as possible without hurting your total offerings. Write out the reasons why that service deserves to make it to your services list. Tip 3. Be thinking about how you can best market these services. Do you have a prior project or portfolio piece that can help you sell the service to a future client? Tip 4. Be open to removing or adding new services as your client work progresses. Client demands shift with industry shifts. Being open to adding new services and specializing in a new skill that you seem to notice an increase in client demand or something that you can add value to for your client. So I want you to work through the services list worksheet and create your own main services list. Those will be important to have on hand as we continue to work through the course, build our website, and build our portfolio. It will definitely need this in the future.